Listen to me carefully. MDCAT is not just an exam. It is your fight, your battle, your war. And wars are not won by the weak, the tired, or the distracted. Wars are won by warriors who wake up with fire in their hearts. Who push when their body screams no? Who refuse to stop until victory bows before them? And right now, you are that warrior. Feel your heartbeat. That is not just blood. That is energy. That is power. That is the sound of destiny knocking at your door. Every single beat is saying, go harder. Push further. Burn brighter. Look at your books too, not see pages. See weapons. Every formula you learned is a sword. Every diagram you master is a shield. Every practice test you conquer is an arrow in your quiver. You are arming yourself for glory, and the battlefield is MDCAT. When the exam day comes, you will not walk in as a student, you will enter as a champion. Trained, sharpened, and unstoppable. Yes, it is hard. Yes, it burns. Yes, it takes your sleep and your comfort away. But greatness is not born in comfort zones. Champions are not created in soft beds. They are forged in fire, in sweat, in endless hours of unstoppable effort. And that effort is your crown. Wear it proudly. Think about your parents. Think about their silent prayers for you. Think about their sacrifices. They carried you. They raised you. They dreamed for you, and now it is your turn to honor them. Think about your teachers, your family, your younger siblings who look up to you. Think about yourself, the younger version of you who once said, one day, I will become a doctor. This is the day to prove that child right. Do not slow down. Do not hold back. Push harder than you have ever pushed before. When you feel tired, smile and go further. When you feel heavy, roar louder. Because the world belongs to those who dare, to those who fight, to those who refuse to be ordinary. And you, my friend, are not ordinary. You are chosen. Picture this moment. You open your result. Your name is there, shining. Your family's eyes filled with tears of pride. Your heart explodes with joy, and you realize it was all worth it. Every page, every tear, every sacrifice. That moment is waiting for you. It is not a dream, it is real, and it is yours. So rise now, burn now, work now. Do not wait for motivation be the motivation. Do not look for energy be the energy. Do not ask for sparks be the flame. MDCAT is not stronger than you. Nothing is stronger than a student with fire in his soul. This is your time, your fight, your victory. Go! Study like a warrior, attack your books like a lion, and claim the success that belongs to you. The world is ready to call you doctor now. You must prove you are ready to earn it.